So, sana ma-improve natin yung ano din natin yung infrastructure sa Philippines in terms of internet, no? So, kung ilagay lang natin yung pera dito sa technology, wag lang sa malita, sana maganda yung internet connection natin sa sa Pilipinas. Again, welcome back. So, again, the Philippines is also under the radar of expansion. Now, IBT. What is IBT? IBT is an International Business Times. This is a prestigious crypto media outlet. And then just this year, no, January of this year, they released an article, no, the top 10 companies to invest in 2026. And as you can see here, guys, Aurum is one of the top 10 companies that will invest in crypto in 2026. Nakahilira sa Aurum ang Dogecoin, Ripple, Tron, no? They are already giant company. At kasama yung company natin dito sa mga bibigating company. So, what does it mean? Soon, will also become one of the giants sa crypto industry. So, ngayon, who leads the company? So, maganda yung company, may registration. Okay, so kung mayroong jurisdiction or registration or license ang company, it means they are committed. No? Nag-invest na naman malaki for registration, for licensing, and this time they are now committed for expansion. At kailangan yan na matotoong persons to lead the company. Person with credibility and person with experience in the respective field. So, our CEO is Brian Binson, no? Brian Binson, guys, is the former Binance director for Latin America, no? And he is a pioneer of Web3 with 27 years of experience in crypto, blockchain, and decentralized finance. No? And sabi ni Brian Binson, Binance become a fintech unicorn in 1 year, but dito sa Aurum, we will take a more conservative approach. Target natin for Aurum is in 3 years to become a fintech unicorn. Okay? So aside from Brian Binson having a real work experience, no, is also one of the key speakers sa mga global crypto events in the whole world. Now, Token 2049, this is the largest, no, the biggest crypto conference in the whole world, no. Last year, it was held in Singapore, no, last October. It was attended by more than 16,000 participants. No? 16,000 participants yung pumunta, no? For Token 2049, and then 5 silang key speakers. Now, one of them is Richard Teng, the CEO of Binance. So, si Paulo Arduino, the CEO of Twitter, BC Wong, the CEO of KuCoin, and Justin Sun, the CEO of Tron. No? Ipang-5 si Brian Binson. And in this event, no, in this event, ang topic niya is can AI make people more richer? Kaya yung ano natin guys, yung first page natin, yun din po yung ginagamit natin kasi yun po yung topic ni Brian Binson in that event, no, in Singapore. Another big event, no, crypto conference in the whole world is the Global Blockchain Show. No, isa din si Brian Binson sa mga key speakers in that event. And he is also one of the members in the panel discussion of this Builders Roundtable. No, pinag-usapan nila ang future ng Web3, pinag-usapan nila dito ang future ng internet, ng blockchain, at saka ng AI trading. So, isa siya sa mga panelists, no, panelists sa Builders Roundtable. And most importantly, Brian Binson is a member of Forbes Finance Council. Forbes Finance Council is under the umbrella of Forbes Magazine. This is a very prestigious membership organization wherein ang mga tao lang with credentials ang pwede ma-invite at makasali dito sa Forbes Finance Council. Okay? Now, tinignan ko yung yung Twitter. Kasi sa X doon talaga yung mga crypto gurus, no? Doon sila, yun po yung favorite nila na social media platform. And dito sa X, no, sa Twitter. So makikita natin si Brian Binson. As you can see here sa screen natin, so makikita natin si Brian Binson na naka-blue badge. Ibig sabihin, verified yung account niya. At he mentioned in his post dito sa Twitter about Orom, no? He talked about Nero, no? One of the product ng Orom Foundation. He also featured the CEO, no? Andrew Isaac dito sa kaniyang Twitter account. And guys, this person has been verified by our kababayan. So Brian Binson is the center guys sa left of the left picture, and then on the sides are the couple, Ma'am Zini and Sir Mars Lubido. Pinuntahan talaga nila yung office in Dubai to check if there is really an office existing there for Orom and to talk with the CEO. And they did. So the office is verified, the registration is verified, and the CEO is verified. Di ba? So nakausap ko sila and so on, siguro makausap ninyo din sila si Sir Mars. And when you talk to them, parang you also talk to CEO Brian Binson already. Kasi nakausap nila eh. And then aside from Brian Binson, we also have Andrew Isaacs, our Chief Operating Officer, no? He has more than 18 years of experience sa Galaxy and Evercore, mga fintech company din yan, and Morgan Stanley. Morgan Stanley is a traditional bank. This is one of the biggest bank in the US. We also have Ahmad Zen, no? The marketing director and one of the co-founder. We have Shin Moran, ang in charge natin sa network development. And itong picture na to, this is taken just recently in Tunisia, in Europe, no? Kasi they have special leaders there. So the people at the center is Ahmed Zen, no? And on the right side, sila si Sir Mars Lubido and Ma'am Zini Lubido, no? Kasama sila sa special leaders meeting doon sa Tunisia in Europe. They verified the personality of Ahmed Zen. And we also have Leonardo Galindez, our CEO for Orums Exchange. We have Al Rizky, Director of Strategy, Nicholas Killan, the Head of Partnership. We have Brent Fulfer and Tobias Bauer. Sila po yung venture capital, no, advisory. Sila po yung nag-oversee ng asset, capital asset ng company. And we have Nick Patel and Bukari Kaloko, no? They are in charge sa ating gold products kasi mayroon tayong gold products that I'm going to discuss uh, later on. Now, in total guys, no, there are more than 35 top professionals, no? Na grabe yung experience nila sa finance, sa blockchain, sa crypto, sa AI-driven trading, no? And they are coming from biggest of the biggest company in the whole world like Binance, Morgan Stanley, IBM, Bitget, OKX, Unwise, no? And their composition is 8 of them are data analysts, no? And 10 of them are software developers, mga programmers, and 7 of them are financial analysts, no? And each of them ay meron silang 12 years of average experience in their respective field. Okay? And think of these guys. Itong mga top caliber professionals, they are forming a company called Orum Foundation. No? Do you think that they formed this company just to scam people, or they form this company para lang maglaho in 1 year, 2 years from now? I don't think so. Walang logic yan. Napakamahal ng investment ng four companies registration at napakaganda ng ano nila, ng experience nila. At they will not just build a company na maglalaho in a couple of years. This company will last long term, guys. I promise you. I never found I never find a company, no, na mayroong ganitong opportunity in this moment of time. Wala talaga, no? Kaya when I learn about the company, the people behind, I actually jump in. No, katulad na ni Coach Jason, nakita po niya yung potential ng company. So you join right away dito sa Aurum Foundation. So ito po yung mga key achievements ng Aurum since the launch in 2024. So right now, their asset, yung asset na minamanage nila, tinatawag natin yung asset under management, ay umabot na ng mahigit $600 million in USDT, no? And $25 million in arbitrage trading, no? And we already have 8 products so far. And look at this, no? 170,000 Aurum users in the whole world. Napakaliit pa ng mga users of Aurum in the whole world. Dito sa Pilipinas, I would say, less than 1,000 pa lang tayo dito sa Pilipinas na clients and partners of this company. Okay, so this is the 10-year roadmap. Ito yung decade of intelligence finance. In 2027, ang target ng company is to have a $500 million asset under management. And right now, as I presented earlier, nasa $600 million na. So nakuha na natin itong $500 million asset under management. So it means to say na by 2029 hanggang 2035, talagang makukuha natin yung target ng company, no? Kasi ang mga members nag-grow every day at meron din tayong mga new products coming in na paggamitin yan ng lahat ng mga members, no, ng clients ng Aurum Foundation ay talagang makukuha natin itong mga figures na nandito sa screen natin ngayon. Okay, so the next question is, do you have marketable products? Ano bang mga products ng Aurum, Coach Romel? So, there are 8 products that I'm going to present. The first one is the crypto cards. Ang crypto card is, ang laman nito guys is crypto No, hindi po piso, hindi po US dollar. Crypto ang laman nito. And this is powered by Visa and Mastercard. So we now have a partnership between Master and Visa card with Aurum. Now, ang card na to, no, is designed na yung access natin sa ating crypto asset ay pinabilis at naging simpler. Now, for example, with using this card, you can withdraw and you can spend your crypto as cash. You can withdraw your crypto as cash in any ATM nationwide and globally. You can also spend your crypto as cash in any establishment anywhere in the world. No? Napaka ganda ng products na to, guys. So, if you're holding an asset, a crypto asset right now, pwede kang bumili ng ating crypto cards right now. Now, I personally see, no, nakita ko talaga itong card na to during our first meeting with Sir Mars Lobido in April 1. No? The physical card partnered with Visa. So, and then talagang mamaya ipakita natin yung paggamit ng Visa card, guys. And the second product na mayroon tayo sa Aurum is yung ating exchange, no? Aurum Exchange, just like Binance. So this is a marketplace wherein pwede kang bumili ng crypto, no? Para staking or holding. If you believe na yung Bitcoin ay maging 10 million pesos yung worth years from now, pwede kang bumili ng Bitcoin using our Aurum Exchange. You can also do trading kung gusto kang mag-trading or scalping dito sa exchange natin. And number 3, now, the third product that we have, meron tayong tokenized gold, no? Gold is a real world asset and then ginawa itong tokenized, no? Such that ang lahat ng mga ordinary people can invest into gold. You can start investment at $100. And then ang kagandahan ng model na to, guys, no? Meron itong tinatawag na 2-layer investment model. So, what is meant by 2-layer investment model? So, 50-50 yung investment niya. The 50% goes to gold and then discounted yung gold mo at 30% at the time of purchase. And the other 50% goes to trading. At may yield po ito na 7 to 10% every month. So, tingnan natin yung mga packages. The minimum package is the $100. So, split yon 50-50. 50% goes to trading. Okay? And then you will earn 63.6% per year. And the other 50% is gold future at makukuha mo yung gold, physical gold na discounted at 30% after 1 year. So, mean to say, at the end of the year, meron kang gold worth at $70 at meron ka ding kita na meron ka ding uh, gold na yield na more than $80. So, sa isang taon, no? Sa isang taon, your money is like double. No, $100 yung nilagay mo dito after 1 year, uh, you can have $200 in asset for gold. But ang kagandahan nito sa trading, no? Makikita mo yung result of trading every day. Now, the bigger is your package, the bigger is your annual return. Now, for example, the biggest package that we have in this investment is $25,000. So the $12,500 goes to real gold and the other $12,000 goes to trading. At yung kita natin in a year dito sa trading na to is almost 80%. So mas malaki yung capital mo dito, mas malaki yung yield mo every year. So this is another investment portfolio na pwede mong gawin dito sa Aurum Foundation. So the fourth product, frankly, honestly speaking, this is my favorite, the EXEI trading agents or AI robot, this is a fully autonomous trading system, guys. So hands-free trading to. Ang gawin lang natin dito is mag-top up, ng trading capital for this bot and let the robot do the trading for us. Automated yung performance and then, guys, proven yung result nito. For the last 2.5 years, ang performance ng EXEI is very, very consistent. In fact, yung average niya per month, makikita natin dito, since February of 2023, ito po yung performance niya hanggang January 2026. If we get the average, ang average niya is 17.5% per month. But of course, hindi naman ibibigay sa atin yung 17.5% lahat kasi may client and company sharing. Now, for example, the the minimum capital dito is $100. Yung share mo is 60%. Now, 60% of 17.5 is 10.49%. Di ba? Kung mas malaki yung capital mo, nasa $250, yung share mo maging 65% and you will get 11.37% per month. For $1,000, that's 12.24% per month kasi yung client share mo is 70%. Mas malaki yung capital mo, mas malaki yung share mo. And the biggest share that the company can give is the 95% if your capital ay nasa $50,000. But you can start, You can start at any level na that you're capable of. Pwede ka mag-start ng $100 or $1,000. And another good thing dito sa robot na to is mayroon itong compounding features. Compounding means yung profit mo ay pwede mong idagdag sa kapital para mas malaki yung kapital mo, mas malaki din yung maging profit mo, di ba? So for example, say for example, yung investment natin is $10,000. So magkano ba yung kita niyan in a month? That's 1,487. Now, kung yung 1,487, i-compound mo, it means it will be added to your capital next month. Such that yung kita mo for the next month ay maging 1,708 na. If you compound it every month, guys, makikita natin na after 5 months, your money will be doubled. After 8 months, nag-triple yung pera mo. After 10 months, nag-times 4 yung pera mo. And then after a year, it's more than times 5. Okay? So, it will vary, Pwede siyang magbaba ng konti or magtaas ng konti depende sa average rate ng ating trading. Okay? Now, ito yung result for the $10,000 account, every day yung trading, so every day makikita natin yung profit natin. So for $10,000 account, magre-range yan. Minsan $44 yung kita in a day, minsan nasa 50, 56, minsan 74. Kasi wala namang fixed trading result. It varies. Ang importante, nakuha natin yung monthly average performance ng trading robot na ito. Okay? Now, for the sake of transparency, guys, now, let me explain the operating regulations ng AXAI. So first, the minimum withdrawal is $25. No? You can withdraw the moment yung profit mo ay umaabot ng $25. And then the minimum, the withdrawal fee is only 1%. 1% lang yung charge natin plus the network fee. And then meron po itong 35% termination fee. So explain ko lang what is the termination fee. So our capital dito sa AXAI, pati yung kinu-compound natin, meron siyang 365 days contract or 1-year contract, such that if you want to withdraw your capital in the case of emergency, no, within 1 year, you can do it kasi capital naman natin yan, but it will bear a charge of 35% termination fee. So bakit mayroong 35% termination fee? This is the safety net of the company. Why? Kasi when you refer someone and then nag-put up siya ng $1,000, nagbibigay yan ng commission and reward sa mga tao nag-refer sa kanya. If it will be abused, no, naglagay ka ng kapital doon sa robot, nagbibigay ang company ng commission sa taas. And if you withdraw it without charge, at then i-abuse yan, malulugi, magkukulap si company. So this is a way of protecting the interest of the company. And for me, it's very fair. Kasi ako, may insurance product din ako. Nakatry ako ng insurance product. Pag nagbayad ka, pagbayad ka ng 1 year sa insurance mo, and then after 1 year, you decide to stop, di mo na makuha yung mga binabayad mo sa insurance. Sa real estate naman, pag nag-invest na ka ng condominium, nakapagbayad ka ng 1 year at gusto mong ihinto, gusto mong kunin yung pera na nabayad mo sa company, you cannot get your money back. No? You can get 50% of your money pag nakapagbayad ka na ng more than 2% sa kondominyo mo. Kasi mayroon tayong batas, no, na Masida law, na pag you have paid more than 2 years already, you're entitled to get 50% of what you have paid. But dito, guys, kahit wala ka pang 1 year, pwede mo makuha yung capital mo with 35% termination fee lang. But after 1 year, wala nang charge sa 35%. So binanggit ko lang yan kasi uh, for emergency purposes lang yan. Kasi kung walang emergency, may pira ka pa, and then may kita ka every now and then. Pwede mong i-withdraw. By the time umaabot ng $25 yung kita mo. So why withdraw your capital pag gumita tayo? So nilagay lang ng company dyan for the sake of emergency. Now, the fifth product that we have in Orom is yung AXEI Pro. This is our Sikan trading AI robots. And then, ang kaibahan nito, you can withdraw your capital and your profit at any time. Now, with 1% fee. At ang kita dito monthly is nasa up to 10%. No? Up to 10% yung kita ng robot na to. At kailangan meron kang active AXEI before you can use this product. So again, kailangan na meron kang AXEI na active before you can use this AXEI Pro. And the next product is the Zeus AI. No? So ano naman ang kaibahan ng Zeus AI between the EXEI and the Pro? Now, ang Zeus AI, no, it trades and collects another cryptocurrency. Like for example, kung gusto kang mag-trade ng Bitcoin, gusto kang mag-trade ng Ethereum, gusto kang mag-trade ng BNB or PP or DADS, use the Zeus AI. And again, kailangan mo ng active AXEI before you can use this product. At malaki din ang return dito per month ng Zeus AI, no? Up to 15%. So again, yun po yung kaibahan ha. Yung kaibahan niya is Zeus AI is trading and collecting Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, PP, or Doge. Yung sa dalawang robot natin, it only trades and collects USDT. Okay? And next product is our Nero. Ito yung pinaka-latest product natin guys na non-custodial trading agents. No, more than 3 months na to at napakaganda ng result. No? For the last 30 days, that's 30% profit. Kaya no, if you have heard Coach Jason saying na wala pa siyang na-refer pero kumikita na siya, that's because of the EXEI and the Nero. Dalawa yung product na ginamit ni Coach Jason Bacolta. And the last product is our digital banking. Tinatawag natin yan na Neobank. Neobank is an ecosystem na makikita natin dito yung mga products natin na ginagamit. You can top up crypto asset, you can send crypto asset to anyone, you can activate your cards, you can monitor your live trading results, you can monitor your wallet balances, pati yung AI na ginagamit mo, ma-monitor natin dito sa Neo Banking. So, these are our future product. Meron tayong coming na POS system na can accept crypto payments. Meron din tayong under development na Aurum ATM machine. Meron din tayong real world asset na real estate. Na you can buy a fraction of real estate in Bali, Indonesia with this RWA. So hindi pa ito available sa system natin, and also our upcoming partnership with Tangem. Tangem is a big company guys na yung product nila is cold wallet. If you want safer storage ng asset natin, you can buy a Tangem card. But hintayin natin na available na itong Tangem dito po sa ating Aurum website. Now, Coach Romel, okay, I'm convinced, no? Ang daming product ng Aurum. Saan ba po magsimula, no? How to get started? Napakasimple, guys, no? Kung sino man yung nag-refer mo dito, if you are not yet a client ng Aurum, okay, ask for the referral link from your sponsor. Pagkatapos, no, number 2, magbayad ka ng $19.99 per year na subscription para magkaroon ka ng access ng ating ecosystem. So again, ang mga products natin na hindi binibenta, no, magbayad ka lang ng subscription na $19.99 per year. You can access all or any of our products. It's just like Netflix ba, no? Once you subscribe to Netflix, you can watch any movies or shows anyway na nandun sa Netflix. So ganun din tayo sa Aurum Foundation. And number 3, pag may account ka na, nagbayad ka ng $19.99 subscription, use first the EXEI bot. No? Mag-top up ka. Maglagay ka ng amount na kaya mong ilagay dito sa EXEI bot. Na for example, ang kaya mo lang $100. So pag naglagay ka ng $100 sa EXEI bot, ang kita mo dito per day is 21 pesos per day or 640 pesos per month. You can withdraw it pag umabot yan ng $25, nasa 1,250 yan. Pag umabot yan ng $25, you can withdraw it. Now, if you have more funds, may extra pera ka, so mas maganda dito kasi mas mataas $1,000. Kasi sa $1,000 guys, yung kita mo everyday nasa 249 pesos at yung kita mo monthly is nasa 7,466. So you can withdraw every week dito. Pag dito ka pumasok sa $1,000. So what if may extra pera ka pa? No? $10,000 yung nilagay mo dito sa HCI. So pag for the $10,000, ang kita natin dito every day is nasa 3,000 per day. So you can technically withdraw every day pag $10,000 yung capital mo dito sa HCI. And that is roughly nasa 90,700 pesos. Guys, can you imagine? Naglagay ka ng $10,000 dito sa AXCI at kikita ka ng $90,000, 90,000 pesos per month doing nothing. Kasi may nag-work for us, and that is the trading AI. That's proven yung yung result. So it's up to you, no? You can start at 100, then kung mayroon kang extra fund, pwede ka mag-top up kasi the minimum top up dito is $10. Pwede ka mag-top up every now and then. So if your target is $10,000 like me, napakaganda ng ano yan. Napakaganda ng kitaan yan. So kayang bayaran yung balances ng bahay mo. No? So kung plano mong bumili ng kotse, ang pan-down payment mo, ilagay mo lang dito sa XAI. And then yung kita mo every month, yun po yung pangbayad mo ng down payment at saka monthly. Di ba? Ito yung ginawa ng mga mayayaman eh. Hindi sila bumili ng bahay cash, hindi sila bumili ng sasakyan in cash, no? Pinatubo mo na lang yung pera. Yung tubo ng pera, yun po yung binabayad nila sa kotse nila at sa bahay nila. So napakaganda ng product na to guys. No? And also, ang kagandahan ng AXAI ay mayroon itong compounding features. Okay? So kanina pinakita natin na pwede kang maglagay depende sa pera meron ka at pwede kang mag-withdraw every week or every month. Depende lang kung makuha mo yung minimum withdrawal. On the other side naman, pwede mo gamitin itong compounding. So, i-compound mo muna yung kita mo para mas maging malaki siya and then later on, mag-withdraw ka. Now, for example, kung maliit lang yung ano natin, yung capital natin, nag-start po tayo sa $100. Yung $100 mo na initial investment, pag kinompound mo ito for 1 year, the $100 mo will become $361 in 1 year. So, almost more than times 3.5. Saan ba tayo makahanap ng ganitong instrument na yung 100 natin maging almost 400 in 1 year? Di ba? Sa bangko, di mangyayari yan. No? Yung $100 mo, baka $100 pa rin yan after 1 year. So what if i-compound natin what if 1,000 yung capital natin at i-compound natin for 1 year yung $1,000? So yung $1,000 natin maging $4,500. That's times 4.5. So nakita niyo mas malaki po yung initial capital mo, mas malaki yung kita niya after a year of compounding. For example, the $10,000. Kung $10,000 naman nilagay mo dito, din kung kino-compound mo, no, look at what happened. No, times 6 pala, no? Times 6 yung kita natin dito sa $10,000 natin. That's $63,000 after a year. So what about ang 100 mo i-compound mo for 3 years? So yung $100 mo ay aabot na almost $7,000 in 3 years. So what about 10,000 i-compound mo for 2 years lang? Diba? So you can play guys, no? Sa back office natin, even if you are just a free account, no, you can access sa ating profit calculator. So it's up to you, no? Pwede mo i-compound yung ano mo, yung investment mo. Pwede mo ring i-withdraw every week or every month yung kita mo. It's up to you. But if you're like me, ang strategy ko dito sa XE ay meron akong at least 2 accounts. Yung isang account ko ay compounding yan, like 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. And another account ko is withdrawing. Pero hindi ko pa wini-withdraw kasi gusto kong paabutin ng medyo mas mataas before ako mag-withdraw. So, it's up to you. Importante lang, the first product na dapat natin gamitin is the AXEI Pro. And the minimum investment is 100. If you can input in $1,000 or anything in between 100 to $10,000. And next is, if you want to try our Nero, again, yung Nero natin ngayon nasa beta testing phase pa lang. Hindi pa to kompleto yung testing na to. So, and then the minimum trading capital sa ating Nero is $250. Iba lang ang sit up dito, but we can help you, no, sa pag-sit up ng Nero. So importante, kailangan unahin mo yung AXCI at if you have extra money, you can also try our Nero. Mas mataas yung kita per month. Okay? So the next question is, can I make money without recruiting people? Or is money working for me? And the answer is a big yes. Why? Once you join Aurum, you are an investor. Kasi naglagay ka ng trading capital and your capital now starts working for you because of our AI-driven trading bots. No? So, if you are an employee, you are working for money. Kung ikaw naman ay negosyante, no, you are building people, no, to make money for you. But dito sa Aurum guys, automatic ka investor. No, option mo 'yan na maging business owner or business partner ng Aurum. Kailangan nating kumita, no? Kahit natutulog kasi sabi ni Warren Buffett, if you didn't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. No? At ayaw naman nating mangyari yan na ah, grabe na yung ano natin, mahina na yung katawan natin, ay magtatrabaho pa rin tayo, no? No? So, we have to leverage the technology, leverage natin ang AI, leverage natin yung cryptocurrency, no? So, we need to use our money to work for us. Dito lang yan sa Aurum Foundation. And pinaka most common questions, naka-withdraw ka na ba, Coach Romel? Or paano ba ako magka-withdraw ng asset or pera ko? Di ba? So, I think kahapon, no, nag-ano kami ni Coach Jason, nag-messenger call, no, kung paano mag-withdraw ng kanyang kita sa Nero straight to you sa GCash. Medyo may process, but once everyday mong gawin yan, madali lang yan. No? Also, Coach Joe Perley, no? One of my sponsor ko rin dito sa business na to, kahapon nag-withdraw siya twice from his Nero account kasi nasa $1,000 na yung capital din ni Coach Super Lee maghanay sa Nero. So napakasimple, merong withdraw button yan sa back office natin and then ilagay mo lang yung wallet address mo. Pwede galing sa CoinSpace, galing sa GCash o galing sa MetaMask. Hit continue within 48 to 72 hours, pasok yan sa crypto wallet natin. Evidence of withdrawal. Ito yung account, no? Bagong account ni Sir Mars Libido with $10,000 na capital, no? And naka-withdraw na po siya ng $10,000 na walang problema. Naka-withdraw na siya ng $4,500. Wala din problema. $5,000, $500. Maliit or malaking amount, pasok within the the promised duration for withdrawal. Ako din personally, no, naka-withdraw na po tayo ng more than 4 times sa kita natin dito sa Aurum Foundation. So, let's talk about risk. So, Coach Romel, baka maglaho ito 6 months. Baka mawala ito 1 year from now. Katulad ng mga ibang companies na pinapasokan natin or pinapasokan ng mga friends natin. Okay? Now, I would say na every company has its own risk. Walang company na walang risko. Ang masasabi ko lang, dito sa Aurum Foundation, wala po tayong scam risk. Ibig sabihin, di po tayo masa-scam dito. Kasi first, the company invested in 4 countries with millions of dollar investment. Paano ba nila mabawi yung yung ano nila, yung capital nila pag maglaho ang company in 1 year or 2 years? That is their commitment to help the people all around the world na kumikita using AI and crypto. No? So, never mangyari yan sa Aurum Foundation na nag-invest sila and they're planning to invest in the US para lang manarado. Okay? Once you are invited ng isang company at tinanong mo saan sila registered at hindi nila na-verify, wala nakapunta doon, huwag po kayong sasali dyan. Pag sasali kayo, expect nyo lang that your pera ang pera mo na nilagay mo dyan ay willing to lose. Pwede maglaho at any time. So if you agree to that, pwede ka mag-invest. No? So dito sa Aurum Foundation, wala pa yung risk na yan. And then pangalawa, napaka experience, napaka credible ng ating mga leaders dito, no? And they're not willing to risk their credibility kasi mas mataas yung credibility nila sa crypto, di ba? And then do you think na i-risk nila yung reputation nila na for a company na hindi naman pala pang long term? Okay? So again, there is risk, but dito sa Aurum Foundation, the risk is very minimal. Okay, so Aurum is one ecosystem with two rules. Pero pareho sila with unlimited potential. The first rule is you can be just a client. No? Mag-client ka lang. Sign up ka sa referral link from your sponsor. No? Use our product, the XEI, the Nero, and focus on your capital. Pwede ka mag-top up, no? Pwede ka mag-withdraw. Pwede ka mag-compound. It's up to you. You will still earn. And pangalawa, guys, you can be a partner like me, no? Ang Coach Jason, to build a global network. Hindi lang sa Pilipinas, but in the whole world. Di ba? So, this time, no, allow me to present with you the partner program. Ito naman yung ano natin, yung part 2 natin, and this is for those who want to learn and who want to become a partner of Aurum Foundation. So take note, once you pay a $19.99 subscription, you are a client at the same time a partner, and it is your option to launch your partner account. Okay, so there are 5 ways to earn dito sa partner program ng Aurum. We have direct sales or direct referral. Mayroon tayong team sales. This is an override sa team mo. And we have an extra bonus. Napakalaki ng extra bonus natin. We have profit share. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng profit share? Pag nag-profit yung mga direct mo, may profit override ka rin up to 30%. And then the last one is the shareholder bonus. The shareholder bonus is, ano po ito guys? Once you hit a certain rank, no? Once you hit a certain rank, no, makasama ka sa uh, shareholder bonus to be awarded every quarter. Okay, so discuss ko yung ano natin, yung compla natin sa partner program natin guys. So when you start, ang label natin is NOVA. NOVA means novice or beginner. So 3% lang yung ano natin direct sales. So if you refer someone na nag-put up ng 100 trading capital, you will earn $3. That's 3%. At once yung account na yon ay nag-top up, you will earn another 3% of the top up account. Or pag nag-compound siya, yung kita niya nilagay niya sa compounding, another 3% of that. Now, meron tayong tinatawag na legacy volume, that is LV, at mayroon din tayong legacy volume in USDT. So, ano ba yung legacy volume? Actually, ginagamit yung legacy volume sa company to measure our rank, no? So, LV. So, yung LV value is 40% of the USDT. So yun po yung formula. No? So for the sake of our discussion, we will use the LV or the legacy volume. So once yung trading capital mo sa team ay umaabot ng 3,000 LV, no? Your rank will be a Voyager, and then yung direct commission mo will become 5%. So if you refer a new person na nag-put up ng $100 sa trading AI, meron kang 5% na. No, tumaas na yung direct commission mo at 5%. And if you have a team na 3%er, kung may pasok sila din na trading capital, they will earn 3%, and then you will earn the difference. Meron kang 2%, no? Unlimited, no? Sa team mo kasi mas mataas yung percentage mo. And then yung personal contribution sa trading is only $100, and you will get $100 reward or bonus. And then dito mag-start guys ang 5% na profit share mo sa team. So for example, direct ko si Coach Jason. Kumikita si Coach Jason ng $100 a month. So I will earn 5% of that. No? That's hindi lang galing kay Coach Jason, pati yung profit sa team niya. Now, once my LV or your LV becomes 10,000, your rank will be Vanguard. 7% na yung direct commission mo, mas malaki na yung kita mo, mas malaki na yung differential commission mo sa team. Kailangan mo ng $300 na personal contribution, but you will get $500 na bonus at yung profit share mo maging 7.5% na. Once your LB reaches 25,000, maging Vanguard Pro ka. 9% na yung direct commission mo. You need $750 for personal contribution, but you will get $1,000 na reward. maging 10% na yung profit share mo. Once you hit 50,000 LB, you become a Nexus, no? 10.5% na yung direct commission mo. You need a $1,500 in trading capital, but you will get $2,000 in reward. 12.5% na rin yung profit share mo sa team. And once you hit 100,000 LB, you become an oracle. And this is my first target this year, guys. Kasi 12% na yung direct percentage natin. No, $3,000 yung trading capital natin, but you will get $5,000 in reward. 15% na rin yung profit overhead natin sa team. And then kasama na tayo sa shareholder bonus at 0.15%. Once you hit 250,000 LB, you become a prime. 13.5% yung direct commission mo, 6,000 yung trading capital requirement, but you will get $10,000 in bonus. At 17.5% na rin yung profit overhead mo sa team. And kasama ka na sa 0.2% shareholder bonus sharing every quarter. Guys, palaki ng palaki yung LB mo, palaki ng palaki din yung direct commission mo, at palaki ng palaki din yung profit override mo hanggang 30%, pati yung shareholder bonus. But look at this reward. Once you become an elite, you will get $20,000 bonus. For Magnat, $50,000 bonus. For Mythos, $100,000 bonus. For Legend, $150,000 bonus. All the way to Alpha. That's $3 million bonus. First time ko po nakita itong klaseng reward na to, guys. And this is not in peso. This is in dollars. Siguro magtatanong po tayo, may nakakuha na ba ng mga rewards na yan? Last month nakuha ko yan, this month. No, nakuha ko po yung Voyager rank. Nakuha ko na yung $100 ko. Nagasto nga pala eh. Nagasto ko na yung $100 ko na reward. Now, our sponsor, no, this is our mentor. Sila po yung nag-introduce ng Aurum dito sa Pilipinas, no, with the two leaders, no, sila Engineer Marsa and Doc Erica. And we are from the line of Doc Erica. No, so last April na-hit nila mag-asawa ang Magnat rank. Silang dalawa, Magnat si Ma'am Zini, Magnat din si Sir Mars. And each of them received $50,000 in USDT. Yung sponsor nila is Suman, a Singaporean. Yung level ni Suman is Legend. Nakatanggap siya ng reward na $150,000. And the sponsor of Suman is HP from Ireland. Guys, wow. Ano? Pantheon yung rank. HP received is $2 million in reward alone. No? And our first alpha ever sa Aurum Foundation is si Tom. No, si Tom yung naka red hat, no? Katabi ni Ahmad Zen. $3 million, guys. Yung natanggap nila. So, if you're serious in building Aurum and you will not stop, kasi nasa early stage pa tayo, guys. No, pwedeng marating natin itong narating nila, no? So, if you sum it up, yung total rank bonus dito sa Aurum Foundation is nasa $6.8 million, no, in USDT. And that is close to half a billion piso nakita. Hindi pa kasama yung direct sales bonus mo dyan. Hindi pa kasama yung profit sharing bonus mo dyan. Hindi pa kasama yung shareholders bonus mo dyan. At lalong hindi pa kasama yung income mo from your own trading capital. Okay? Hindi pa kasama dyan. And then, guys, as a network marketer, we have discovered na for us to become an alpha. Kasi yung kumpla ng company is very simple eh. It's a simple unilevel system. So kailangan lang natin ng tatlong directs or tatlong legs for us to become an alpha. And if you start right away, you get your first 3 in a month, and then you duplicate it, and then mayroon kang daming directs, pwede mong ibigay sa ilalim, you'll become an Aurum Alpha in 14 months. If 100% yung duplication. If 50% lang yung duplication, you can still become an alpha in 28 months. So darating tayo sa level na yan pag hindi tayo mag-stop sharing. At sino naman yung hindi makagusto ng mga products natin na yung products natin, ang output is pera. At lahat naman tayo nangangailangan ng pera. Di ba? So, why join Aurum Foundation? Ito yung mga reason, guys. No, for every company, legit company, mayroon itong 4 stages of evolution. Yung pang-apat is the stabilization. For the scam company, yung pang-apat is the ano destruction. Yung sa ating stabilization. Nasa concentration stage pa lang tayo eh. Malayo pa tayo sa momentum stage. Pangalawa, complete transparency. Na-verify natin yung opisina, na-verify yung mga tao leading the business. And napakadaling tingnan yung mga transactions natin, yung partner kit, yung partner program income, yung kita ng trading bot. At wala tayong copy pasting dito, no? Hindi ka mag-copy paste, you don't need to wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning para lang mag-copy paste, no? And every time you withdraw your commission, hindi mo na kailangan mag-ask ng permission for you to withdraw. Automatic yan kasi naka-smart contract tayo. And yung link natin is fixed. Hindi na babago yung links natin. No, hindi tayo kakabahan. No, nagbago na naman yung link. And then makikita natin yung live trading result. At then yung withdrawal natin dito guys is only 1% to withdraw plus yung network fee. And we have 8 products under our ecosystem. And there are more to come. And lastly, we have the 5 pillars of success. The first, we are in the right industry. Sobrang puno na yung supplementation, guys. Sobrang puno na, no? Labanan ng mamagagaling yan. For you to survive in a network marketing company na yung produkto is supplements, mahirap dyan. Kailangan magaling ka, may pera ka, no? Doon. So sa atin is nasa artificial intelligence tayo, nasa trading tayo, nasa digital currency. Yun po yung ano natin positioning, no? We are at the high position sa money-making industry. Pangalawa, we are at the right company. Di ba? Napakaganda ng Aurum Foundation. No? Very transparent. Yung company natin, meron tayong registration in 4 countries and coming in the US. At marami pang countries na i-open ni Aurum Foundation. Number 3, kilala natin yung mga tao na nag-lead ng business like Brian Binson, Andrew Isaac. And number 4, we have the right products. Yung product natin ay crypto cards. We have exchange. Meron tayong 4 na trading bots. Meron tayong neobank. Meron tayong RWA. Ang output niyan is money. So ang produkto natin, pera. No, bakit ko ba ilagay yung 10,000 ko sa ibang company na mayroong product na mayroon namang na mga product sa Aurum na magbibigay sa akin ng kita 24 hours or 12 hours after ako nag-top up. And din yung kita ko doon sa trading ko ay pwede kong ibili ng mga supplements. Kasi yung supplements guys, kailangan at kailangan natin ngayon. No? Hindi na mawawala yan. No? So, napakaganda ng products natin. And lastly, we are the right place at the right time. Kasi nasa formulation stage pa lang tayo. Okay, so guys, do your own research dito sa company natin before you jump in. And then unahan ko na lang kayo, no? Since before I joined Aurum, I also done my own research. Since AI based yung Aurum, ginamit ko rin yung AI. I use ChatGPT and the Grok, yung AI ng Twitter. So, sinabi ko dito, please check about Aurum Foundation. Ayun. Totoo yung sinasabi nito ng AI na to. Pero may mga red flags. May mga red flags. So nakita ko rin ito before I joined and then I check. May basihan din yung Bank of Russia, Nigeria, and New Zealand to issue warnings. Kasi guys, wala pa na yung registration in these countries. Kaya sa mga partners natin, avoid posting your income doon sa mga social media natin, no, para hindi din ito di tayo ma-red flag. Hintayin natin na aabot yung registration sa Pilipinas. So this is valid but we are not Ponzi scheme. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng Ponzi scheme? Yung pera natin galing sa PN ng mga bagong tao. But sa atin, yung kita natin galing yan sa trading. No? Yung sinasabi sa Reddit na Aurum Foundation is a scam kasi may mga withdrawal issues, may mga accounts na nahack, no? Hindi ma-access yung mga funds. So possibly, no? Totoo yung hacking. Kaya ang ginawa ng Aurum, no, strictly di-implement the 2FA authenticator. You cannot access your account pag hindi ka nag two-factor authenticator para maiwasan yung maiwasan yung hacking ng account mo. As to the withdrawal issues, wala naman tayong problema sa withdrawal. Si Sir Mars, matagal na, 1 year na mahigit. Wala naman problema sa withdrawal kahit malaki yung yung withdrawal niya. So, meron lang tayong period, duration to withdraw. After you click withdraw, darating yan sa wallet natin 48 to 72 hours. May mga review din doon sa mga vlogger sa YouTube na nagsasabi na yon ah may mga withdrawal issues din yon. So, di natin alam. No? Kasi yung mga tao na yan na nagpo-post, nagpa-vlog, na hindi naman sila mga members ng ano po, ng Aurum Foundation. So, but we have to respect your other opinion. But dito naman sa Trustpilot, guys, no? Sa Trustpilot is an independent body din ito. Maganda naman yung review nila sa Aurum, no? 4.1 out of 5. Di ba? So, yun. So, we need to conduct, to do our due diligence. Now, may mga taong may opinion, respect natin yung opinion nila. But we does not have an opinion. Ang meron tayo is the facts. Say for example, ipikita po itong video na to na totoong nagamit itong cryptocurrency dito sa Pilipinas.
Hey everyone, good morning. I'm here right now in DPI, ATM New Zealand here. And I'm gonna test this Aurum card, Visa card. Come on. So what we're gonna do is we will withdraw, okay? We'll withdraw. Start in, and it's gonna be asking PIN. So again, this card contains crypto asset. So I'm gonna withdraw 10,000 and the savings. So I just commanded for these are a $250 fee for that 10,000. So yes. And let's see what will happen. So take the card out and say, get the card, what look. So I got another 10,000. Gonna withdraw again, everyone. Okay, he opened.
Nata sa Harrods Hotel ron nga, mangutanan sila.
Upa mag-roll ang video.
Okay na. Legit ba daw ang Aurum card nga Visa card? So, check na to, tanaw na to.
Okay.
So mag-wait ka sa ano, bayad na kaon.
Bayad na.
Balik ka daw.
Visa card.
Yeah.
Basig.
Isa pa.
Okay.
Positive. Think positive. Think positive.
Using the Aurum card to get for a big here in Arrow's account. With Dr. Erica.
Oh, pag-success pa.
Oh my gosh! Oh, yeah, legit, dili. Wala. Thank you so much, Orom, for paying our bill.
Ang bill, pakita ang bill.
Ayun. So, pinakita natin guys yung testimony kung paano nagamit yung Aurum card to withdraw crypto as cash dito sa Philippines at kung paano ginamit yung crypto using Aurum card to pay bills dun sa hotel. Uh, so we have to check natin kung may mga katanungan dito. If you have questions, you can ask questions before we end. And then i-check natin kung nandito po yung ating ayun, nandito pala, no? Si one of our mentor dito sa team natin, no? Yung nagbigay ng testimony kung paano ginamit yung Aurum card. So, it is our privilege na nandito, no, yung ating mentor na to, and then hindi po siya magbigay ng inspiration sa Aurum Foundation. So without further ado, no, let us all welcome, no, one of my mentor, napaka-batang mentor, supportive at napaka-active, no other than Doc Erica. Doc, ayun,
Hello, makita lang ko.
clear.
Wait.
Very clear.
Ay, sorry, nasa Manila kasi ako kahapon nasa sa Siquijor, then Dumaguete, then ngayon nasa Manila ako
Grabe
kasi
naman yan.
may presentant din ako ng mga presentation sa Aurum kanina sa may Okada. So, kumusta sa lahat? Ilan tayo dito?
14,000.
Hello sa mga 14 attendees natin today or tonight. So, isa lang yung masasabi ko dito kasi ako din as a doctor, ayoko din ng magsali-saling ng mga hindi legit or hindi parang yung makakasira ng pangalan din ng isang tao. Kasi kahit hindi naman ako magi-invite or kahit magi-invite or hindi ako magi-invite, gusto ko yung pinapasukan ko is sure and stable. So nagdo ako ng aking own research, and while I was doing my research, I found out that Aurum has a visa card, which is hindi talaga siya easy na magpa-accredit sa visa na company because nasa finance industry sila. Ayaw din nilang ma-stain yung pangalan nila na makikipag-associate sila sa mga unstable or mga hindi legit na companies. Another thing that I researched also is yung Visa card ng Aurum is yung company na nagpro-provide sa GoTime. So, GoTime, yung company na nagpro-provide sa card ng GoTime is the same company na nagpro-provide sa card ng Aurum. So, yan pa lang is parang parang sold na talaga ako kasi ang ganda talaga ng parang outlook ng company, pang long term talaga din siya. And then parang iniisip ko kasi nasa traditional business din ako. Na nagti-think ako na parang too good to be true, parang ganito, ganyan. Pero iniisip ko din, lahat na tayo ngayon is very, very digital, very high-tech. Meron na ngang mga AI videos na akala natin na parang totoo pero hindi pala. So what more na lang dito sa trading, sa finance industry na madami ding mga talented na mga tao na makakapag-formulate ng mga AI mag-help sa atin na mag-generate ng income, 'di ba? And then na-search ko din yung mga people behind, yung mga board of directors, mga CEO, mga leaders, meron din sila kasing credibility. Hindi din nila, meron na silang may award na sila, na sila sa Forbes. So, yan pa lang is parang naano na ako na maganda talaga mag-invest sa isang company na sure. So dito pa lang is parang nasabi ko na ano talaga, heaven sent talaga tong Aurum sa atin kasi alam mo naman, madami din tayong mga, dahil crisis ngayon sa Pilipinas, inflation, dito talaga tayo makakabangon, guys. So, kahit pwede lang man din tayo mag-invest, pwede din tayo mag-build, nasa sa inyo yan kung ano yung comfort ninyo. Kung hindi kayo comfortable na mag-build, and then invest na lang. Use your own money to leverage. Pero kung gusto ninyo na mag-build ng mga tao kasi hindi masyadong malaki yung kapital ninyo, then you can do that also because napaka-supportive ni Sir Romel as an upline. Wala akong nakitang ibang leader din, iba kong leader na nagka-conduct ng everyday Zoom. So yan pa lang is advantage nyo na pag-upline nyo si Sir Romel kasi siya yung nagpro-provide ng mga presentation every day, offline and online. So, yun lang. And congrats, Sir Romel. I appreciate your hard work talaga dito sa Aurum Foundation.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Doc. Thank you, Doc. And nandito rin may kasama na ako sa presentation natin. So, I would like Jason, Coach Jason Bacolda to do the closing. Coach Jason, once
Okay.
again, thank you, Doc. Salamat kayo, Doc. Grabe.
Thank you
Let me see your
everyone.
Aurum card.
Sure. Ay na, kakabayad ko lang sa restaurant kanina. Wait lang. Dala-dala ko dito.
Grabe hot tao eh.
Wait lang.
Grabe, no? Si Doc.
Eto po,
Wow.
gamit ko.
Wow.
Gamit ko
grabe.
kanina sa pagbabayad. Tapos, nag-withdraw din ako kanina sa Okada. So, gamit ko yung Aurum card.
Wow.
Everyday po ako nag-withdraw. Yung
Doc,
profit ko, everyday ko wini-withdraw.
Doc, if you don't mind, Doc, how much do you invest sa sa
Naglagay na po ako ng $40,000.
40,000?
What?
Wow. Grabe.
Grabe.
And now, currently po is nasa ano na ako. Yung LV ko, actually, yung rank ko ngayon is nasa Vanguard Pro. Pero,
Wow.
in a matter of weeks, magiging Vanguard, magiging ano na ako, magiging
Nexus.
Nexus. Because yung LV ko is pang Nexus na. Need ko na lang talagang i-help sila Sir Romel na mag-rank up din.
Wow.
Kasi yun yung kagandahan dito sa Aurum. Tulungan. Actually ako, nagfo-focus lang ako sa dalawang leaders ko, which is si Romel and yung isa kong, yung crossline din niya. Kasi pag mag-rank up sila, ra-rank up din ako. So, yun yung ano ko, yun yung parang shortcut or formula para mag-rank up ka. Help mo yung leaders mo na mag-rank up din. Ganyan yung kagandahan dito kasi. Hindi complicated yung complan. I've been to other networking companies. I'm also a top earner in AIM Global, but I've seen and I've studied the complan of Aurum Foundation and grabe, maganda talaga yung complan nila.
Thank you, Doc. Thank you, Doc.
Doc, why are you so
busy ka dyan, ha? Thank you
Ano
so
po?
much, Doc, for your... Yeah, Coach Jason.
Why are you so convinced, Doc, na hindi to biglang mawala? Kasi yan talaga yung comment ng iba. Napakaganda, pero
Apo.
paano pag yung biglang mawala? Yun yung mga ano nila.
I don't think na biglang I don't know ha, nothing is certain in this world. Even the big companies nawawala, nababankrupt, even nga yung mga even nga
tayo.
yung parang Procter and Gamble ba yun? Ewan ko ano yung malaking kumpanya dito sa Pilipinas na nababankrupt. Because nothing is certain in this company, but one thing's certain and for sure, hindi to Ponzi.
Yes, tama.
Meron siyang products na magaganda and maganda yung services nila. Hindi yung nagdedepende yung income natin kung may papasok o hindi. So that's one thing for sure.
Tama. Yes, thank
Sige
you so
po.
much, Doc. for your time and
Thank you, Doc.
for
Thank
the
you, Doc.
wisdom.
Sige po.
Ay, Doc.
Yes.
Asa ka tong dapit sa Manila, Doc? Si Nick.
Na ako sa kuan, Sir Nick, na ako ron sa asa man ni Pasay. Oo.
Pasay, ha? Okay. Okay. Until when ka diya?
Flight na ko pabalik na pag Cebu ugma morning. Mura lagi ko ganig ano. Sige lang ko travel kay more na kanindot sa tong businessman pud ba. Basta kuan ta i-request ta diri diha dito. Matik lupad.
Okay, Doc. Good luck, Doc.
Sige sir.
Good job,
Thank
good
you.
job.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Doc.
everyone.
Salamat. Thank you, Doc Erica.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you so
So
much,
guys,
Doc.
that's Doc Erica, no, our very supportive upline leader dito sa Cebu. And again, in the Philippines, dito lang concentrated sa Cebu, Bohol ngayon tayo, guys. Wala pa tayong ibang wala pa tayong leader in Manila eh. Wala pa talaga kasi dito unang bagsak na Sir Mars Lubido sa Cebu, no? And yun yung sinabi ni Doc Erica na other leader actually is a very prominent leader, no, sa isang malaking company din, and he is now doing business or business in Malaysia, no? So guys, tayo po yung swerte din sa atin yun na you are the first few people na connected po dito sa Aurum Foundation. So, parang lumalalim na yung gabi, Coach Jason, no? And check natin kung mayroon pang mga questions
Questions.
dito. Guys, merong mamaya 12 AM. Merong VIP call, no? Ipopost ko yung link kasi straight from the co-founder 'yan. Yung Zoom mamayang 12 in the morning na eh. Kung may time pa kayo at may energy. So join tayo para first hand. We will learn kung ano yung mga inputs, updates ng company. So once again, no, guys, thank you so much. And then mag-invite po tayo bukas at kita po tayo bukas at the same time, at the same place. So again, thank you so much sa lahat nandito ngayon, no? Nandito sa Zoom natin, batiin natin, no? Si Coach Andrew, no, from Samar, si Aurum Global, si Ma'am Bernadette, no, from Riyadh, si Doc Neil Duaso, no, from Cebu, si Coach Jake Voy from Dipolog, and of course, yung partner ko ngayon, no other than Coach Jason Bacol.